In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Spotify Party of the Year not showing or not working issue. If you're not able to find Party of the Year Spotify, then what you want to do is first launch open the Spotify app. Now, normally the Party of the Year section should be on the home page itself. So scroll down and find if that section is here. If it is not, then you want to tap on this search icon at the bottom of your screen and you should be able to find it over here. So go ahead and tap on that. If you still do not find it, you want to tap on this search bar over here and here you want to type in Spotify 20. Now you should be able to access Party of the Year. Simply tap on it. Now you can access it from here. But if you're still not finding it, then here are some fixes. First, make sure you're using the latest version of the Spotify app. To check, open Play Store or App Store. Then on the search bar, search Spotify. If you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next, you want to clear the app cache. Long press on the Spotify app, tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and tap on storage, then tap on clear cache. After that, you simply want to tap on the force stop option, then tap on OK. Now open Spotify and check. If you're still not finding it, then you want to log out of your account. Tap on the profile icon for that, then tap on settings and privacy. Now scroll all the way down and tap on the logout option. Then log back in and check if you find this option. If you still do not, you want to reinstall the app. For that, uninstall the Spotify application. After it has been uninstalled, reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. After you have reinstalled it, open it, log back into your account, and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.